Now to Georgia for day 7 in testimony in the murder trial of the men charged with the death of Ahamuad Arbery. So here are 3 things to know about what happened in court today. The Reverend Jesse Jackson sat in between Ahamuad Arbery's parents in court, saying that he had a moral obligation to support them, specifically after defense attorney Kevin Gough's comments last week. Now, Gough sparked national backlash when he said, quote, "We don't want any more black pastors coming in here," suggesting that they would influence the jury. Today, Gough also objected to Reverend Jackson's presence there in the courtroom. Jackson said Gough's trying to create a diversion because Jackson says the defense has a weak case. On your sides, Kaylee Tracy's been following this case from the very beginning. She joins us live tonight from Brunswick. Kaylee?
Heather, Gough told the judge today in court that the people inside the courtroom and outside the courtroom who have been demonstrating each day is not allowed for a fair trial for the defendants. The motion for mistrial came after Arbery's mother was heard crying out when her neighbor testified. Arbery's mother told us she got emotional because her neighbor was one of the last people to see Arbery alive. Defense attorneys say after her outburst, jurors noticed the Reverend Jesse Jackson was comforting her. That prompted attorneys for the other 2 defendants to join Kevin Gough's motion for a mistrial.
Having jurors hear and see and visualize the emotion, and now to be comforted by someone for whom respect abounds. We're in a very difficult position now with this jury to have seen and heard and felt that.
The judge ultimately denied that request for a mistrial. He said that he would deal with disruptions in the courtroom on a case-by-case basis. Now, also today in court, people with the GBI, that's the Georgia Bureau of Investigations, they showed the shotgun that was used to kill Ahamuad Arbery. We'll get Ahamuad Arbery's mother's reaction to seeing that in court for the first time tonight at 11. For now, reporting live in Brunswick, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.
A lot happening there in the Brunswick courtroom today, and court will resume tomorrow morning. We will continue to bring you live updates and gavel-to-gavel coverage from the First Coast News app and online at firstcoastnews.com.